Hi, I'm Wheeler Gans and I'm sitting in the parking lot of the Peak Design headquarters in a beautiful 2011 Prius sedan, and I'm here to talk to you today about the car mount from Peak Design, which is part of the new mobile ecosystem. This is a pretty simple mount for using your cell phone in your car. It is very critical that you follow the instructions for mounting this adhesive to your dash in the correct way. The critical pieces here are basically making sure that you do a good test fit. And the test fit, you're looking for two things. One is that it's a good place for your phone to be mounted in your car. So if I look at this, this is a good viewing angle for me. And the other piece is basically making sure that this base plate can contour to the dash in that location. Your goal should be to pick something that's relatively hard plastic and as untextured as possible. Before we do any application, the first thing you want to do is you want to prep the area that you're going to be mounting this. In your kit, you'll find an alcohol wipe, basically throwaway cloth, and the purpose of this is to remove any contaminants from the mounting area to ensure good adhesion. So what you're going to do is you're going to clean this area, and don't skimp, do a good job, clean more area than you need to make sure that there's no contaminants at all. Once it's clean, you're going to let it dry, and this is very important. You're going to let it dry for at least 5 minutes. You want to make absolutely sure that there's no alcohol in there when you go to apply it. So now that we've let it dry for a full 5 minutes, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove the liner from the VHB. I'm basically going to carefully remove that, set that aside, and then I'm basically going to slowly position this where I want it. So now a critical step is that you apply pressure to the base plate itself to ensure that you get a good bond. And you want to apply that pressure for at least 30 seconds to make sure that the adhesive is well bonded. Now the next critical piece is to allow this mount to fully set for 24 hours. Okay, it's been 24 hours, had a good night's sleep. Now I can actually use my phone on this mount. As you can see, it's a good mounting location. The mount feels very secure, and it should be good to go.